after completing his 12th, enters into the new journey of graduation. In this journey, he and she keeps on searching about the option which will help them to elevate their coming future. Now, these options must comprise of those skills and the knowledge which everyone must have in this competitive world. So, company secretary is one of the profession which will help you to acquire those skills and knowledge. So, this side, CS Siddhant Singh, one of the founder of CS Edge, is here to bring about the entire ecosystem of the company secretary profession. So, let's begin this journey. Let's discuss about the background of the company secretary profession. Every professional degree has some institute to which it is being affiliated. So as our company secretary profession, it is being affiliated to the Institute of Company Secretaries of India, ICSI. ICSI is a regulatory professional body which was formulated by the Act of Parliament, and the jurisdiction comes from the central government ministry which is being named as Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Moving ahead, let's first talk about who is a company secretary. Company secretary होते कौन है? Let's find it out. Company secretary is one of the compliance officer of the company. As we know that there are different forms of organization which existed within this whole country, like the private limited company, the public limited company. So there are certain rules and regulations and the laws like the Companies Act, the SEBI rules and regulations, the RBI regulations which are applicable to a company. It's the company secretary who takes care whether those rules and regulations and the laws have been complied or not. That is why he is considered to be one of the experts in the corporate governance. He is considered to be the chief advisor to the board of directors. The board of directors form part of the top level management where all different types of board meetings and the corporate meetings takes place. Now, the company secretary having all the specialized knowledge about certain areas like the risk management, the SEBI regulations, the Companies Act, and he is being one of the advisory to the board of directors. Moving ahead, he is considered to be one of the responsible person to comply with all the regulatory compliances. Now, regulatory compliances, for example, I'll tell you, if you are in a company which trades with the company which is situated out of India and there are certain export and import transactions which takes place, it's the company secretary who comes to know about there are certain rules and regulations as per export and import policy which is termed as EXIM policy. That is why he is also being considered as a corporate planner. I would tell you that during the year it is must for all the companies to conduct 4 board meetings throughout the financial year. It can be more than that. So the entire planner, entire strategy is being made by whom? It's the company secretary. Let's understand if a person becomes a company secretary, what position a person holds in a company. As we have already seen in the earlier part of the video that company secretary is being part of the board of directors. As per the purview of Companies Act, company secretary is being designated as a key managerial person. That means a person will be part of all the board meetings where the policy decisions are being taken. Now, on the basis of my personal experience, I have identified company secretary can be categorized into 3 different industries. That means company secretary ऐसी कौन सी जगहें हैं जहां पे काम कर सकता है. पहला हम देखते हैं corporates में. Now corporates में a company secretary is appointed as a whole-time qualified company secretary within the organization. As we know that he's considered to be the key managerial person. He conducts all the board meetings which are to be taken during the financial year, prepare agenda of the meetings and also the minutes of the meeting, send notices to different directors. Now this was was when you are being part of a private limited company or a public limited company. But if you are part of some financial company, you can act as an investment banker. Now, the person who holds the degree like from an IIM Ahmedabad or some IIMs like an MBA degree, a person acting as a company secretary have all the knowledge regarding the strategies to be formulated for different projects which is to be taken within the organization. Moving further with the corporate thing, a company secretary, if works with a taxation department or works with a legal department, can provide certain expert knowledge regarding the auditing which takes place throughout the year or through the different legal matters. Now, a company secretary has been given power to make a representation to different tribunals like the National Appellate Tribunals, where some decisions related to the fights which are being taken between two of the organization or some cases which are to be solved but cannot go to the high court can be solved in the appellate tribunal. Now, moving ahead, a company secretary is considered to be an entrepreneur. Yes, you are hearing it very right. A company secretary खुद की company चालू कर सकता है. Now, our ICSI has provided us the provision to practice company secretary. So you will be designated as practicing company secretary. Since a startup needs to have an incorporation since the beginning, अगर मुझे इंडिया में रह के अपना खुद का स्टार्टअप चालू करना है, आत्मनिर्भर भारत में जो हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर जी नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने बताया गया है कि आप खुद की कंपनी फॉर्मुलेट करके इंडिया में प्रोडक्शन चालू कर सकते हैं, इसमें कंपनी का इनकॉर्पोरेशन कौन करता है? इट्स द कंपनी सेक्रेटरी हु क्लियरली डज दैट थिंग. बिसाइड्स दिस, इफ you are practicing as a company secretary, you have been given powers to do secretarial audit. Means like when the chartered accountant does some tax auditing, like a CS can does or do a secretarial audit where you can check what all meetings, what all provisions, what all regulatory compliances a company is taking place or not. And the final is my favorite, that CS have an exploration in an education industry. Like I'm standing in front of you and giving a lot of knowledge to all you young upcoming company secretaries. I will tell you one very important point, that our ICSI, the Institute of Company Secretaries of India, have signed memorandum of understanding with about 58 universities within India where you can enroll for further studies like the PhD. Yes, you are hearing it right. You can go into doctorate, whether related to commerce, law, or management, with these 58 universities. And I can guarantee one thing, that on YouTube you won't find this information. I'm telling it to you right, that ICSI has signed at least 7 MOUs within the span of this month with top universities like IIMs, where you can enrich your own knowledge, being a proficient enough, and to do a faculty development programs. Now, moving ahead, you can clearly see that there are so many areas where a company secretary can explore a lot during his training and while working as a company secretary in a corporate. Now, these additional areas are securities market, corporate restructuring, foreign collaboration, joint ventures, risk management, company law, SEBI, and the most important, the human resource management. One important thing which I want to tell you people, that अगर आप इन इंडिविजुअल एरियाज और सेक्टर्स में अगर एक्सप्लोर करेंगे और प्रोफेस करना चाहेंगे तो आपको इंडिविजुअली डिग्री करना पड़ेगा. बट व्हेन यू ऑप्ट फॉर अ कंपनी सेक्रेटरी प्रोफेशन, यू विल गेट एन अम्ब्रेला नॉलेज अबाउट ऑल द एरियाज एंड व्हाट नॉट. यू कैन क्लियरली हैव जॉब्स इन दीज डिफरेंट सेगमेंट्स. So after getting a lot of information about a profession, company secretary, which is ranging from company law to securities law and to corporate restructuring till SEBI, now I put up a question in front of you, whether you're going to opt company secretary as a career or not. So give a yes or a no in the comment section, and forget not to like, share and subscribe to our channel CSH. Thank you so much.